The Best Choice Products Ergonomic Split King Adjustable Bed Frame redefines what it means to have a restful night's sleep by combining comfort, technology, and versatility into one sleek design. This electric base allows couples to independently control each side of the bed, making it ideal for shared sleep spaces where preferences differ. Designed with an ergonomic focus, it caters to modern lifestyles, whether you're reading, relaxing, or managing back pain, offering a luxurious, hotel-like experience right at home. Each side of the Split King setup comes with its own wireless remote, granting personalized control over head and foot adjustments. Whether you prefer an elevated head position for reading or a zero-gravity mode for full-body relaxation, the frame responds smoothly and quietly. The inclusion of built-in massage functions adds a touch of indulgence, with customizable intensity settings that help relieve muscle tension and promote deeper relaxation before sleep. Tech integration is another highlight of this adjustable base. Dual USB ports are conveniently positioned for overnight charging of devices, reducing the need for cluttered extension cords around the bed. The underbed nightlight is subtle yet effective, perfect for navigating the room without disturbing your partner or interrupting your sleep cycle with harsh lighting. These thoughtful additions enhance both convenience and ambience, blending practicality with comfort. The build quality reflects durability and strength. The steel frame construction provides solid support, ensuring stability even with frequent adjustments. Its sleek, modern aesthetic fits easily into various bedroom decors, from minimalist to contemporary, without appearing bulky. The bed frame is compatible with most mattresses, including memory foam, latex, and hybrid designs, offering users the flexibility to use their preferred sleeping surface. Assembly is relatively straightforward and user-friendly, especially for a product of this size and complexity. The components are well labeled, and the design minimizes the need for tools or professional installation. Once set up, the frame operates quietly, an important detail for light sleepers or shared spaces. Additionally, its split design makes it easier to move or reposition compared to traditional one-piece king frames. The zero-gravity position deserves particular praise. It elevates both the head and legs to reduce pressure on the spine and improve circulation. This makes the bed especially suitable for individuals dealing with back pain, swelling, or sleep apnea. It also enhances post-surgery recovery and relaxation after long workdays, giving it both therapeutic and luxury appeal. From a usability standpoint, the frame's quiet operation, responsive adjustments, and ergonomic settings make daily use effortless. The inclusion of both USB ports and a nightlight enhances everyday functionality, turning the bed into a hub for both rest and convenience. Its split configuration means no more compromise. Each partner can fully control their comfort without disturbing the other. In conclusion, the Best Choice Products Ergonomic Split King Adjustable Bed Frame strikes an impressive balance between comfort, technology, and value. It transforms a simple bedroom setup into a customizable relaxation zone, perfect for those seeking personalized comfort, pain relief, and smart convenience. While it's not a replacement for a medical-grade massage bed, its thoughtful design and solid performance make it an outstanding choice for couples or individuals who want a luxurious, supportive, and tech-forward sleeping experience. For its comfort, customization, and functionality, this adjustable bed frame is absolutely worth it.